So this is just a quick video to say we're really sorry that we're not going to put any specific video out this weekend. Lisa, unfortunately, her back has taken a real turn for the worst, and she is properly laid up. So that is, obviously that's quite detrimental to a lot of things, not just obviously this YouTube. But thank you so much if you joined us on Wednesday for the Q&A. All the comments have been fabulous, and we appreciate it massively. It was good fun doing it, and hopefully we can do that later on. But please bear with us. We will be back, hopefully very soon, hopefully next week. And thanks ever so much for anybody that's sent best wishes to Lisa. It's a real bonus to us, just knowing that you lot are out there and giving us the support. All right, take care. See you again soon.